What are you guys doing? Hi, Carter. Carter. Carter, can you say hi? What are you doing?
Playing in kitty litter.
Why are you playing in kitty litter? Carter. Hi, are you ignoring me? Carter Ray. Say hi. Can you wave hi to the camera? Oh, you gonna ride your track through the kitty litter? Sounds like a plan. Where are you going?
Stay out of that mud.
Carter, come back, please. You gotta come help Dada. Yeah, you gotta come help Dada. Hurry, he needs your help. Seems like you're making more of a mess than actually doing something good. Oh.